Students, this is last problem in exercise 2.4. This is very different model from this exercise and from this lesson also. Okay, so all of you listen carefully. A town population increased by 1200 people. Okay, that means the present population in that particular town is not given, but after increasing 1200 people, and then that means next after this new population decreased 11 percentage. 11 percentage. Okay, the town now had 32 less people than it did before 1200 increasing. Okay, so that means after decreasing 11 percentage of people, in that particular increasing 1200 people, okay, that original population decreased by 32. The original population decreased by 32 people. Okay, so that is the given question. So the original population is not given after increasing 1200 people. Okay, and then this new population decreased by 11 percentage. In which time the original population 32 less people than it before 1200 increasing. 1200 increasing. So before increasing, okay, that 32 people less people after decreasing 11 percentage. Okay, so let us take the original, that means present population B P, that means population. Let us take the population B P, that means that is present or original population. Okay, now the increasing population, the increasing population the increased population will be, okay, original population P, how much people increased? 1200 people. So P plus 1200. Okay, so the increasing population will be P plus 1200. Okay, so next, and then this new population decreased by 11 percentage. That means after increasing this population, okay, now the new population decreased by 11 percentage. So you decrease 11 percentage from this new population, the original population P less how many people? 32 people. Okay, listen. So and then this new population decreased by 11 percentage. This is new population. This new population decreased by 11 percentage. Decreased by 11 percentage. The original population P less than how much? 32 people. 32 people. Okay, that is the given question. Okay, find the original population. Okay, so now the people, now the new population decreased by 11 percentage. That means the new population, the population decreased by how much? 11 percentage. The population decreased by 11 percentage. Now the decreased by 11 percentage. Now the population, the original population decreased by how much? 32. Okay, so now the population becomes P minus 32. So the population, the new population decreased by 11 percentage. Now the population becomes P minus 32. P minus 32. That means after increasing P plus 1200, you decrease that P plus 1200 from 11 percentage. Okay, the original population, okay, decreased by 32 people. That means P minus 32. That means the original population decreased by 32 is equal to P plus 1200. So new population, what is that? P plus 1200 minus decreasing. How much? 11% of P plus 1200. Okay, so increasing people, P plus 1200, new population. If the new population decreased by how much percentage? 11%. Okay, now the original population P decreased by 32 people. 32 people, that is the given person. New population P plus 1200, decreasing people 11%. So you decrease 11% of new population from the new population. That original population P becomes less 32 people. So P minus 32 equal to new population minus, that is decreasing, minus how much percentage of decreasing people? 11% of original population. Okay, you got one linear equation. Now you have to solve it and you get the answer. Okay, so P minus 32 is equal to P plus 1200 minus 11% means 11 by 100 into P plus 1200. Okay, so P minus 32 is equal to P plus 1200 minus 11 by 100 into P plus of minus 11 by 100 into 1200. Okay, so two zeros cancel. Okay, remaining P minus 32 plus P of transposition minus P. Okay, 1200. Okay, you write all P terms in one side, remaining all terms in another side. Okay, next minus 11 by 100 P minus 11 into 12 132. Okay, now we write all P terms in one side, remaining constants in another side. So plus P minus P cancel. Okay, this is minus 11 by 100 P. After transposition it becomes plus 11 by 100 P. This is minus 32. After transposition it becomes plus 30. Plus 30. Okay, so 11 by 100 P is equal to 1100 minus 132 plus 32, that means minus 100. So 11 by 100 P is equal to 1200 minus 100, 1100. What do you want? We want to find the value of P. Therefore P is equal to 1100 into 100 by 11. Okay, here 11 is division of transposition, multiplication. Here 11 is multiplication of transposition, it becomes division. Simply you write the reciprocal after transposition. So 11 1 ja 1100. 100 into 100, how much? 10,000. 10,000. So what is the original population here? Therefore original population in the town is equal to how much? 10,000 people. 10,000 people.